What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing G-Man 4.0 from Skibidi Toilet. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page with a curve going up from the left and then back down. Now you want to draw the top edge of the glasses. So we're going to start back on the left, then this up, and then out, go to the right side and do the same thing. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to draw the bottom of the glasses. We're going to come down, almost like drawing a half circle, and then pull that up on the inside. Let's add some thickness to that center bar. I'm going to step down, follow that same curve, and then fill the middle in black. Let's add a glare going across the glasses. From the bottom left, bend this up and over, step across and draw that again. Now I'm going to do the exact same thing on the right side. Going up and across, move over and draw that again. Let's switch to a thick black marker and fill the outside of the glasses. Now from these 2 points, we're going to fold up the brow. We're going to bend this in and then up. Do the same thing on the right. Now over on the left side, we're going to draw the bottom edge of the brow. We're going to go up and then out. Do the same thing on the right. Let's bend the side of the brow, going out and then down. And then we're going to add some thickness. Starting back on the left, go up higher in the middle, and then taper that towards the inside. Let's fill the inside of the eyebrows in black. Now line up at the bottom edge of the glasses, move to the center and draw the bottom edge of the nose. Starting on the left, curve this down and then back up. Let's move up and draw a short curve going up and down across the bridge of the nose. Let's leave a gap underneath the nose. Starting on the left, draw the mouth, coming down and then up. On the ends, we're going to add a bracket. Let's go back to the left side, draw the bottom of the mouth, coming down and then up. Let's draw 2 straight lines coming down the side. Let's separate the teeth with a curve, coming in, leaving a gap in the center, across the bottom like a T. Now I want to fill the outside of the mouth in black, going around the teeth. Now let's go back to the nose and add that fold, going around the corner of the mouth and then down. And then underneath the mouth, we're going to add a short curve for the lip. Let's go back to the top corner of the glasses, draw a short line going out along the side. Draw a line coming all the way down towards the bottom. Now I want to work our way back up towards the inside. So flatten off the bottom, straight up towards the side. Let's add that circle across the top. Now from the bottom, we're going to close off the head. Let's start on the left side, curve this down, go in underneath the lip, go across and then up on the right. Let's go up to the top and draw the inside edge of the hairline. We'll start back on the left, go up, bend that in. Now I want to add a point in the center. Go in and then down in the middle, go up and then out. Now we're going to go back to the outside, draw the side of the head. We're going to go straight up, and we're just going to bend that in slightly towards the top of the head. Go back to the left side and close off the head, going up in the middle, across, and then back down. Now I want to add some texture to the hair. Let's start in the middle. We're just going to bend this up and over towards the right. Leave a gap, draw a shorter line. Do that one more time. Now we're going to add 2 on the left side, going up and out. And we'll add 1 more. Let's go to the side of the hair. We're going to draw the ears. We're going to bend this up, around, and then in the side. Let's add that fold across the top. And then along the side, we're going to add a small half circle. Let's go back and add some veins across the head. We're going to start from the top of the left brow. I'm just going to wiggle this line up towards the hairline. We're just going to branch this out. Go on top of the right eye, going up. Now let's go to the bottom of the eyes and draw some veins coming down. Now underneath the head, we're going to draw a small curve coming down and up for the neck. Let's go back to the center, draw a circle, going all the way around, and then back up towards the top. Let's add a smaller circle in the center, and add a small trim along the outside. Now I'm going to separate the outer ring. Let's start from the top with 2 straight lines coming down the middle, and then add 2 straight lines across the bottom. Now let's separate the sides into 3 equal parts. We're going to start on the top, angle 2 lines coming in, line this up on the right. Now we're going to move down and angle down in the opposite direction. Let's add 2 bars coming out along the side. So we're going to start from the top, go straight out, line that up on the right. Flatten off the ends, and we'll bring that back in. Now we're going to do the same thing across the bottom. I'm just going to line this up, going out towards the same length. Flatten off the ends, and then pull that back in. Now, just on the top, we're going to draw 2 circles. Let's start up here, going up toward the head, and then back down. Let's trace a circle along the inside. And then just underneath the head on either side, draw the edge of the body. Bring this out and then down. Now I'm going to go back to the left side and draw that wire coming out. Let's start underneath the ear, bend this down and out, then bend that back in behind the head. Let's trace that along the inside. Let's go back to the side, step in, draw 2 straight lines coming down. And then along the bottom, add 2 more circles. Let's trace those circles along the inside. Now I'm just going to line up with this line across the bottom, angle this down and then in. Let's flatten off the bottom, and we'll follow this back up underneath those circles. For the inside corner, let's step up, draw a straight line going across. Now on the inside, draw 2 more angled lines coming down towards the bottom. Now underneath these circles, just going to angle this up and in, and then along the bottom, add another line. Now inside this gap, we're going to draw 2 more circles. So we're going to leave a gap, go all the way around and back in. Let's trace that along the inside. And then I'm going to add 1 small circle in the center. Let's go to the top of the circle, draw a straight line coming in, and then from the bottom, draw another line. Now let's go all the way back up to the side of the head, add 2 circles. All the way around, and back in. Let's trace those circles along the inside. Let's add a smaller circle on the outside. we'll add a black dot in the middle. Now in between these circles, we're going to draw a straight line coming all the way down towards the bottom. And we'll add a couple lines going across, coming in towards the ear, and then along the bottom. Now from the top of the circle, draw a straight line going up, bend this up and in behind the head. Now let's extend these bars along the outside. Just going to extend these out of equal length, round out the ends, and then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw G-Man 4.0 from Skibidi Toilet. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.